Very nice. Then prepare the pizza tray. So here I'm using a 12 inches wide pizza tray. It's in aluminum and it's pretty flat. This is the oil from the bacon. Like I'm using about a teaspoon to grease my pizza tray. That will give flavor to the crust. And let me wash my hands and I will show you the dough. The dough has doubled. Under the action of the yeast, the dough has risen and you can see some air bubbles into the dough. It is essential to wrap well the bowl to enclose the moisture of the dough into the bowl. Otherwise, the dough or the surface of the dough will crust a little bit and harden. And that will be a disaster because you really want to have a soft dough. Now, let's transfer the dough to the pizza tray. So because we grease the bowl, it's not sticky to the bowl. Then we're just going to punch down the dough. And just push it slightly over if you want. Perfect. A little bit more here maybe. Good. Then transfer the garnish into the dough. Spread it evenly. You want to have about the same thickness of garnish everywhere.